So today in Texas there is an awful hurricane, and I did not manage my time well enough to get my kids to my parents' house this morning. And my meeting will be done in my You Do Not Know Me attire. They don't know me yet, but they will. Hopefully they'll want us as their wedding photographer. And we have a wedding today. This will be an interesting vlog.
One mayor telling residents who ignored evacuation orders to write their names and social security numbers on their arms.
The strongest hurricanes to hit the U.S. in over 20 years. We continue to see what is now a landfalling hurricane.
It could potentially move back out to the Gulf Coast, re-energize itself, and then make a direct hit on Houston on Wednesday.
Alright, so on a day like today, the best thing that we can do is just try to keep everyone as happy as possible and to be as creative indoors. Just like, it's making it difficult for all of those wedding vendors this weekend. Nina will be fine though. We're in with all the guys. As you can see, this is a Katuba Hindu house. Now, we told them to get ready because, you know, they came ready. Look, and I think we're gonna have to use the patio upstairs here because the rain has kept us pretty much out anywhere that's not covered, so
Dry.
first look. I'm doing this via the phone since my vlog camera's inside, but I've got all of the guys here. Girls are heading out while we have a little bit of a not so rainy and gusty windstorm. We're going to try to do this one shot that they wanted, which is the guys on the bottom, girls on the top. They should be there soon. I think they're putting on something. Signing, which is a Jewish tradition, and we're doing it in this room that we did some family photos in earlier. Everything's kind of been going smoothly today. I mean, for being during Hurricane Harvey and everything, Hurricane Hardass is more like it. Oh, look, some people are coming.
To officiate at Lauren's and Anisha's wedding. Let's hear it for our bride.
is the troopiest of troopers.
So we're at the reception. We've done pretty much all the photos. The only other photo we have to do is the flash in the rain under the tree outside with an umbrella photo. It's really the only one I'm worried about because it's getting rainier by the minute. Not that it wasn't raining enough already. I think it'll work out. Alright, it's dark, it's rainy. With the lights and the twinkle lights and stuff, this will be beautiful. Alright, the wedding is over. Think for Hurricane
Paul!
Tired much.